videos today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akmal Student bin Ismail, and today I will talk about polluted river of Sungai Gong caused by factory. Okay, firstly we identify the problem. What is the main problem caused the river to get polluted? Okay, the problem is the industrial area in Sungai Gong Rawang, which is often associated with water pollution, has a large number of factories that service heavy machinery or construction and result in water supply pollution. Okay, next we will be analyze and discuss the problem. Sungai Selangor water treatment plant for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and Rantau Panjang had to be stopped immediately due to contamination of raw water sources detected in Sungai Selangor. Astro Awani's observation at the scene found out that the source of the pollution was detected in Sungai Gong after finding that the water from the drain in the river was red. Apart from that, based on the observation in Sungai Gong, it was also found that there was a foul odor such as chemicals also detected in the river. At the same time, odor sampling carried out at the Rantau Panjang inlet area, Sungai Gong flood mitigation tool inlet and outlet area was also made to detect the pollution. So, to solve this problem by engineering solution, as a precautionary measure, the authorities have carried out clean-up work, including inserting carbon shell pump to reduce odor rates. The pollution of the river was detected on 19th October 2020, and the termination of the work of these 4 plants has caused an unscheduled water supply disruption involving 1,196,457 accounts covering 1,292 areas in Kuala Lumpur, Darling, Jaya Kelang, Kuala Selangor, Hulu Selangor, Gombak and Kuala Langat. The next solution by engineering solution is using the sewage treatment plant. The main purpose of a sewage treatment plant is to remove organic matter, which is oxygen demanding waste, and kill bacteria. Special methods also can be used to remove plant nutrients and other pollutants. The numerous processing steps at the conventional sewage treatment plant include pre-treatment, which is the screening and removal of sand and gravel; primary treatment, which is the settling or flotation to remove organic solids, fats and grease; the secondary treatment, which is the aerobic bacterial decomposition of organic solids; and the tertiary treatment is the bacterial decomposition of nutrients and filtration. Disinfection is the treatment with chlorine, ozone, ultraviolet light or bleach, and either discharged to surface waters, usually a local river, or used for some other purpose such as irrigation, habitat preservation and artificial groundwater recharge. So for the non-engineering solution to solve the river pollution is to strictly enforce the law. In the context of river pollution in Malaysia, Several laws related to it have been enacted with the aim of controlling and addressing the problem of the pollution. Among the legislation involved to assist in tackling the problem of river pollution is the Environmental Quality Act 1974. Under Section 35 of the Environmental Quality Act 1974, there are three subsections that have been provided to control and prohibit the pollution of natural terrestrial waters. Pursuant up to Section 35 of the Act, no one shall be permitted to remove, discharge, or dispose of wastes into inland waters unless licensed. Any individual found to have violated the provisions under this section may be fined not more than 100,000 ringgit or imprisoned for not more than 5 years or both. Whereas under Section 51 of this Act, there are provisions that allow the Minister of Environment and Natural Resources to enact regulations for the purpose of protecting the environment, including inland water resources. For the summary, the river pollution at Sungai Gong is caused by large number of factories that service heavy machinery or construction and result in water supply pollution. These have caused an unscheduled water supply disruption involving millions accounts covering 1,292 areas. There are two proposed solutions for engineering solution. One of it is inserting carbon shell pump to reduce the odor rates, and another one is by using the sewage treatment plant. For the proposed solution of non-engineering solution, you must strictly enforce the law. Using this solution, hopefully river pollution problem can be solved.